It's been over a year since my last post, and you've probably been thinking like, where's Mollybro at? What the fuck happened to that guy? Truth is, this last year was really hard for me, and something happened that made me feel like I couldn't just like come to you like I normally would. See, thing is, I lost my hat. I was devastated. You see, in every video I've ever made before, every talk I've given, I always had my hat. Like, imagine if Superman didn't have his cape, or Ronald McDonald didn't have his shoes, or Yogi Bear didn't have that little hat and the tie he wears. He would just be a naked bear. Like, who the fuck is this guy stealing picnic baskets? I looked everywhere for that fucking thing. Looked in my closet, my car, called everyone I knew. Hey, was I wearing my hat when we did Molly the other night? It was nowhere to be found. I started feeling really like sad. But then I took some Molly. And suddenly I realized, dude, I'm being a fucking pussy. You can't stop spreading awareness on Molly just because you don't have your hat. I knew what I had to do. I had to find another hat. See what felt good. So now I want to unveil to you my new hat. Is it me? I don't know, but it's me for right now. And no matter what hat I wear in the future or in any future video, just know that deep down underneath it, I'm still the same old Mollybro. I'm not actually sponsored by Quicksilver, so this may become a legal issue and I might have to change it. I called him this morning, but I was on hold for like an hour. They gave me the fucking runaround. So I'm back, and I vow that in 2021, I'm gonna be out there spreading awareness about Molly, because world peace is far too important to give up on. And if you're at a festival and you're having a blast, look over, and I might be right there next to you. This is my fucking face off on Molly, wearing my new hat.